Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping Sklauncher and any running Minecraft processes so files aren't corrupt. Next, open the launcher folder and locate the most recent crash report and latest logs. Copy them to a new folder for analysis. While you do that, record the Java version, memory allocation, and operating system because these details often explain compatibility faults. Once copied, make a short list of installed mods and the exact game version. This will guide the fixes you attempt next. You now reproduce the crash on a clean profile to confirm it's not core game corruption. If the clean run succeeds, re-enable mods in small batches so you can identify the exact mod or add-on causing the error. Check log timestamps to match exceptions. Meanwhile, inspect Java launch flags and XMX memory settings. Insufficient memory or improper flags often trigger crashes. Also make sure GPU drivers and Java bitness match the launcher. Finally, remove or update the mod that caused the conflict and rebuild a fresh profile with only verified versions. This stops repeated crashes. Clear the launcher cache and, if necessary, reinstall the specific game version to remove corrupted files. Test each change and keep the trimmed logs handy. If the issue persists, create a minimal report with the crash log, JVM command line, mod list, and OS details and contact support, or the mod author. Tip: if logs are noisy, search for the first exception line. It points to the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.